You may be aware that I recently did a video on how to create your own custom welcome dashboard for WordPress. Now we're using a free plugin called Granular Controls for Elementor, but unfortunately it looks like that's no longer being supported. Hopefully that will change in the future, but there are some issues where not everything inside that plugin is working correctly. However, I think creating custom dashboards, especially when you're offloading a website to a client, is a great thing. And the ability to be able to use Elementor to create really good looking panels is another cool feature. So in this video, I just want to show you a free plugin that allows us to do that with some extra things over what you could do with the Granular Controls plugin. We can now go through and set up different welcome screens for different level of users. So your administrator might see one, your editor a different screen, your customer, and so on, all different options. So let me show you how to do that with this free plugin right now. I'm Paul C, and welcome to WPTuts, where I show you how to create beautiful WordPress websites. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon to be notified of our weekly new content as soon as it's added to the channel. Okay, so the plugin you're going to need to get is called Dashboard Welcome for Elementor. It's completely free and it does one job, allows you to use Elementor to create custom dashboards. So once you've downloaded that, installed it and activated it, we're ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just jump over into the dashboard of WordPress and I'm going to show you how you can use this plugin. So the first thing you're going to need to do is jump into Elementor and go to the My Templates section, and from there create a new template. Now I've set this up as a section template, so we don't want any headers or footers or anything like that. Now I've already covered how to create templates for Elementor, so I'm not going to go through that, but I will just quickly show you what I've created. So it's a very, very simple layout, just a couple of tabs and an embedded video and so on. As you can see, simple 2 columns, little welcome aboard, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So you can use this for anything you want, but I like to have it for an onboarding process so people have a really easy way to find out how to do the most key things with their website when they get it. So once you've done that, once you've created your template, you're going to need to come over into your dashboard, go to the settings, and you see we have Dashboard Welcome Elementor. Click on there and that's going to open up the very simple dashboard for this. As you can see, we've got all the different user roles down the left hand side, administrator, editor, and so on, and if you have additional roles, they'll all be listed inside here. Then you can choose the template that you want to use, and as you can see, I've got my dashboard welcome, and you can see if I drop that down, any or all of the templates I've set up for Elementor are listed inside there. And then we have one more option, which is dismissible. So when you get the normal welcome screen for WordPress, you can view that, and then when you're fed up with it and you don't want it anymore, you can just simply click on the X button to dismiss it, and it's then gone unless you activate it again. So this gives you the option to do that. For now, we'll leave that as is, we'll leave it unchecked, we'll save the changes in there, and we'll take a quick look at what our dashboard looks like. So as you can see, it's laid out pretty much exactly the same as you saw it inside Elementor when we built the template. We can create videos, we can drop those in there, we can put tabs and so on in. We can create a really nice simple interface for people to access on our website when they log in. Now you can see this isn't dismissible at this point, so if I just jump back over to the settings for Welcome Dashboard, just check that to be is dismissible and save the changes on there. We'll jump back over and refresh this. And you'll see now we have the option in the top right hand corner to dismiss this. We can get rid of it and you can see it's now gone. If we want to bring it back up, we can simply come to our screen options, check the welcome option again, and it will reappear. So it's always available should you need it. So if you want this to be something they can get rid of, you can do it just as easy as that. And what this has over the ability to create these inside Granular Controls is that you can set up different welcome screens for different user levels. I just think that's a really simple and really good way of working with this. So you can set anything you want up for any type of user role and have their own custom login section, their own custom welcome screen inside the dashboard for WordPress. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. So if you can't get the Granular Controls working, or if that's no longer going to be supported, and you'd still like to create these welcome dashboards and use the power of Elementor so you can create really good looking dashboard welcome screens, then this is a great plugin. So I'd love to hear what you think of this plugin in the comments section below. Have you tried it? Have you found something better, more powerful, more controls? Let me know. Pop those comments in the comments section below. Let's get a conversation started. Tell me what you think is good and bad about this, and if you found better alternatives. As always, my name's been Paul C, and this has been WPTuts. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we add new content to the channel. And as always, if you'd like to support us, please consider using the affiliate links in the description below. Gives a small percentage back to the channel and costs you no more money. And until next time, take care.